This video will show you how to put the Nearpod add-on on your Google slide. This is really simple, folks. Just hang out here with me for a little bit. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google App Waffle right here and click on Slides. This will open a new presentation for you. Click on the plus button right here. Now you are in a new presentation. After you've done this, you're going to go here to where it says add-on, and then you will drop down here and click on get add-ons. Once you've done that, you will put your cursor in the search box here and you will type Nearpod. If you notice, the slide is right, the icon is right here for you, but if you don't see the icon, type in Nearpod, click on this right here, and the slide will pop up here for you. Once you've done this, go ahead and click on the icon and then click on install. Now it's getting ready to install. Let's follow the prompts on your screen. Click continue. Once you've clicked continue, you will be prompted to choose your account. You're going to choose your account right here. Nearpod has to access your Google account. You're going to allow it to do that. Once you've allowed it to do that, you're going to see that you are done pretty much. It's that simple. Nearpod has been installed. Click done. And just go ahead and close this window right here. And now that you go right back to add-on, and you notice Nearpod has been put as an add-on on your screen. Go ahead and click open Nearpod, and Nearpod will open here for you. If you already have a Nearpod account, you can log into that account right from here. If you don't, you will be prompted to log in from here, and you can do that right from this area. So it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You have installed Nearpod. Congratulations.